Hi students, today I am going to discuss about definite integral. So our topic is definite integral. Definite integral. Here students, first of all, we seek to know about definite integral, the basic concept of definite integral. So here definite integral denoted by integration from a to b fx dx. Here students, this a is called lower limit and this b is called upper limit of the definite integral. Basically student, it is the area. Typically students, it is the area which is bounded by the curve, which is bounded by the curve y is equal to fx. The ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b, and the curve y is equal to fx and x axis. Okay. Now students, the definite integral introduced definite integral. This definite integral introduced either as the limit of a sum or if it has antiderivative f on interval AB, then its value is fb minus f. That means students, the definite integral introduce either is the limit of a sum, or if it has antiderivative f on interval AB, then its value is fb minus f. That means students, here we can solve definite integral by the help of as the limit of a sum or by the help of using antiderivative f, and their value will be fb minus f. So here students, first of all, today we will discuss about limit of a sum. First of all, we will discuss about limit of a sum. So our next topic is definite integral is the limit of a sum. Our next topic is definite integral is the limit of a sum. Okay. That means, students, we can solve the finite integral by the help of as the limit of a sum. So here we will see what is the formula to solve by the as the limit of a sum. So for this, students, for the derivation of this formula, we have to draw some graph here. Let this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, and here is origin. Let this is curve, y is equal to fx, and the ordinates say x naught is equal to a, and here xn is equal to b. Okay, now, and this x-axis, now we have to find here the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to fx, and the ordinate x naught is equal to a, and xn is equal to b, and the x-axis and named as p, q, r, s. So here, students, the region bounded by the curve and the ordinates and x-axis are denoted by this region. Here, integration from a to b, fx dx. What is this? This is the area. This is the area of region. P, Q, R, S, P. P, Q, R, S, P is equal to what? What is the value of this region? So, finding the area of this bounded region, we have to break this region into n rectangle part. So here we will break this region into n rectangle part. So here will be this is one rectangle part, this is another rectangle part, same as we can break it. Okay, so, and there this breadth is say h. Okay, this is h. So here x naught is equal to a, and say x1, this will be x1 is equal to, from here a plus h, this will be a plus h. Here is x2 is equal to a plus h plus h, 2h, that the here will be a plus 2h, and similarly here we can write x3 is equal to a plus 3h, Now similarly here will be x, then here will be xn minus 1, x n minus 1 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into h. Therefore b is equal to a plus nh. So here will be f, the value of here will be fa, here is f a plus h, this is f a plus 2h, and this is f a plus 3s, and this will be f a plus n minus 1 into h. Okay. So here, for finding the area of the region PQRS, first of all we have to find the area of this rectangle part, and after all we have to add for finding the area of this region. So here is the one rectangle part, here is the another rectangle part, and here is the another rectangle part. Similarly, this is the rectangle parts. So first of all we will find the area of rectangle, shaded area of rectangle. Okay, so here this is shaded rectangle. Okay, so now the area of this rectangle will be h into fa. Similarly, this rectangle will be h into fa plus h. So here we can write it, therefore integration from a to b fx, here we can write integration from a to b fx dx equal to h into fa, that means h into fa plus the area of second rectangle will be h into fa plus h into f a plus h, and the area of third rectangle will be h into fa plus 2h, h into f a plus 2h. Similarly, the area of this rectangle will be h into f a plus n minus 1 into h, h into f a plus n minus 1 into h. Okay, so now here taking a common h from this term, we have h into f a plus f a plus h plus f a plus 2h plus dot dot plus f a plus n minus 1 into h. Okay. Now here students, the area of this unshaded region, the area of this unshaded region is not covered in this area. For covering this area of this unshaded region, we have to shift this line. We have to shift this line towards the zero. That means we have to take the less value of h. So here will be h tends to 0. Therefore, if this line will shift towards the a, therefore h going to less, h going to less. So for covering this the area of this unshaded region, we have to take here limit h tends to 0. So here we will take limit h tends to 0 into h f a plus f a plus h plus f a plus 2h plus dot dot plus f a plus n minus 1 into h. Okay, so here integration from a to b fx dx is equal to this. So here is the required formula for finding the finite integral by the help of is the limit of a sum. So this is the one formula of the finite integral as the limit of a sum. Here students, since we know that from here b is equal to a plus nh, since b is equal to a plus nh, this implies here will be h is equal to b minus a upon n, where h tends to 0 when n tends to infinity, when h tends to 0 when n tends to infinity. So here putting the value of h from here, we will get integration from a to b fx dx is equal to integration from a to b fx dx is equal to h is equal to b minus a upon n. So here we can write b minus a into limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into fa plus h fa plus 2h plus dot plus f a plus n minus 1 into h, which is the another formula of the finite integral is the limit of a sum. So students, this formula and this formula is very important for finding the finite integral as the limit of a sum. So students, remember these two formula, this and this. You can solve the finite integral by the help of either this formula or this formula. So remember these two formula and seek to understand this formula. So thank you so much.